We got a bunch of our Christmas crafts done, and we're taking them to the shop. Bring you along to show you what we did.
I really haven't dressed up any of that whole shelf over there with much in the way of Christmas stuff yet either. So, some of it actually we've been, it's not Christmas, we're just putting in the cupboard.
Yeah, to tuck
As
away.
Christmas stuff comes in, and then it'll come out again after.
Yeah. Some of my clothes. I haven't put my finger.
So you want to put it somewhere else?
No, I think it's fine.
And they told him that we followed the sound of being done like an animal, and I mean she was just struggling for her.
Space in the back.
I don't know. Did you bring anything? Zelda. Yay! We're Christmas. Hello.
All right, so we just took all those things to the shop, which is nice.
Do you want to go
We
for
got
a
quite a
walk?
bit done. Quite a bit more than we thought we were going to have done, but we still have all of this stuff to do. We're going to do more. Try to get as many crafts popped out before Christmas time. Get a bunch of stuff sold. Now we're going to take Mr. Maloonigan for a walk in the woods. If he puts his harness on. Mr. Maloonigan. Oh, we get a light show.
That wasn't on last time.
Last time we didn't do it. He's so shaking. So we have this trundle bed. It's pretty cool, but our room isn't big enough to even pull this out, and we don't have a mattress for it. We made this headboard for it a while ago. It's one of our videos. So my brother was going to throw away a sofa bed, and we decided that we'll take that instead of this. So we're gonna take this apart and put it in a storage unit and go get sofa bed.
Oh my goodness, there's a light. How fantastic is that?
And we just got it in. A little bit of damage. It was not fun. And it is pretty old looking. We're going to vacuum it off and then clean it with an upholstery cleaner. And take off the cushion covers and wash those. Because it stinks. Probably won't get to extracting it today because it's getting late. There it is. It's vacuumed off pretty well. Still dog hair in it. But hopefully the extractor will get most of it, or more of it. And it kind of takes up the whole room. But when it's folded up, it'll give us much more room than that trundle bed did.
Come here. Come here.
Mr. Maloonigan just got a bath.
You on the floor. You look like a little Yorkie. Oh. The shaking. Come here. Now you're on top of me. I can try you out from underneath. What just happened?
Speak. 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 Oh, good speak. Good bath. Cleaned up our living room a little bit. Made it a little bit easier to move around and see everything that we have. And it's a lot of stuff. That needs to be repainted. You can't even see the welcome. And I'm going to paint a few things on those trees. So Saturday night, I've got to finish the project video. I'm trying to make a DIY necklace holder for us to use at Uptown Treasures for our booth. And I got a little bit of a problem. So this piece is supposed to fit right in there, and it does. It just doesn't look good. See that chunk out of there? I don't know if I should be concerned. I don't know if I should be concerned with it or not. I don't think I am. I think I'm just going to glue that in and finish the video. I'm going to try to use this. See if that works. I don't know. I'm going to do that right now. So I finished that necklace holder. The glue is drying now. That's what I'm waiting for. I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty simple. Just a basic little thing for us to use. But while I was waiting for that glue to dry, I was editing this video and I noticed that my audio is wonky. I don't know if my microphone wasn't fully plugged in, the jack was sticking out a little bit, or if I'm trying a new setup with my mic to try and get a more compact rig, and that could be a problem. If it continues, I'm going to switch it up again, but sorry about the audio on this one. So that's it. I've got one more thing besides editing. I've got to clean this up. Our weight room needs cleaned because we want to work out. So I'm going to do that and edit some videos. That's the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching.